Good morning, traders. It's 20 minutes before the top of the hour, and I already plotted my charts. These asterisks, as you recall, are yesterday's low, close, high, Globix low, and Globix high. Watching price action, and it's a chop fest right now, as you can see. 20 minutes before the open. The trend there is up and trending, so what I like to do is watch trade the action. What am I saying? Watch price action descend to this support area and take a long from 70.57, as you can see on my 15-minute chart here. So I will be back. All right, so it's 2 minutes prior to the open, and there's nothing for me to do at this time because my long position doesn't have the proper risk-reward ratios. If I was to take a long, I would anticipate that price would test these lows at 60.66. So I would go 2 ticks below that, a .64. You add 12 ticks to .64, and my entry would be at 76.76. And it's way above, price action is way above .76 at this point. I would definitely I'm not interested in getting long right now. I said earlier that I'd like to have price action descend down to the support area where there's a fractal between my 15-minute and my 60-minute zones here. That's what I'd like to see. We'll see what happens. It's about 1 minute prior to the open. So let's see. It's too late for me to go long. Well, look at this. The bulls lost steam, and now the bears have control. We see a double bar engulfment of a bullish bar right here. Indicator indicates this would have been a great counter trend short. Today's inventory day too, so it's not like anything is happening prior to the news. It's always less choppy prior to the news on Wednesdays. Mm-hmm. Well, it doesn't look like my long confirmation has been placed. Right here. It went above this line, which is awesome, but it's outside my risk reward ratio. And at 76, I would have entered long, but this price action line indicates I would have had to go long on 77. And again, that would have been 13 ticks above my risk reward. You miss some, you lose some. I anticipate a retracement in the second go long. Yeah, I like watching the 6 range bars because you can really see the battle between the bulls and the bears as opposed to the 1 minute where it really doesn't move that very much. But I think the bears have a little bit of control in the open right now. Well, it's 9:08 in the morning. It's outside my appetite trading time. So I'm going to pause this video and come back at 9:13, which is about 5 minutes. All right, it's 9:13 in the morning, and my appetite window of opportunity has opened. Let's see. It's been tight. Look at this 1 minute chart. Really small bodies. It's like what's, range from dot 70 to dot 80, 81, 82. It's not, well, it's been a really tight consolidating pattern here. Nothing very exciting. Or it shouldn't be exciting anyway, but there's nothing to write home about. You know what I mean? Ana, mi mamá te llama. Well, there is absolutely nothing going on in the markets right now except that my clock is ticking and no activity is happening. Oh, good. We're going down finally. Let's go down to the support area price action. Again, nothing. It's already almost a minute to my closing of the app time, and no trade setups for me yet. I'm going to be looking at the E-mini Russell next. Yeah, it's 9:18. All right, guys. I'll see you in about 5 minutes. All right. It's prior to the open now. I'm thinking the reason that price on crude is descending is because Iran is probably worried about the ramifications of the potential or the sanctions that will occur as a result of President Trump withdrawing from the Iran deal. So even though the trend says up and trending, I think the bears at this point have a little bit more control. And it's highly congested. I'm sorry, the open is for the Russell. Let me look at the Russell. I've already charted. It's inside. It's inside a 15-minute zone right now. Wow. It's descending. It descended over 100, almost 100 ticks from 5:30 this morning Eastern time. It must have been news related. Completely negated the uptrend that started at 3 o'clock in the morning. Down. Let's see here. All right, so what I'd like to see at the open for the Russell would be, I like the fact on my 1 minute chart, as you can see here, you can see that there's been a lot of dojis. That means that the bears are losing steam. And especially inside a 15-minute zone, which is nice. Yeah, I would go long here at 1590.3 because that would fit my risk reward ratios inside, bouncing off inside a 15-minute zone. Below that is a 60-minute demand zone, which is nice support, demand. So I would say at 1590.2 would be perfect, actually. That would even give me 1 tick of better risk reward. Oh, it just pierced through that 15-minute zone. Yep. That invalidates my long for this price action entry. So I'm going to see how it interacts with .90. .90 would still be good. We'll see. Because .90 is where the 60-minute demand zone starts. Let's see. Oh, look at this. This is exactly good. It's interacting with that 15-minute zone, like I said earlier. I would definitely go long at .69. But my intentions are to focus on the Russell right now. We got 4 minutes before the reversal open, so let's look at crude. Crude is going down. Really, I would love to take it long from, let me see, I would love to take it long from this area, .57, provided there's price action confirmation. No, that long doesn't look too appetizing. Let's look at a evening Russell here, RTY. Interesting. It just pierced a little bit above .1590 and then it tanked. I'd like to see price action interact with the yesterday's high and close. Take it long from this area here would be awesome. We'll see how the open does, actually. It's always very exciting to watch the open for any given thing. Probably going to go down to yesterday's high and close and then pop up so we can take our long positions. Patience. And it's open. There it goes. Not interested in taking it along right now because the risk reward isn't there. I like to see the price do a gap close before taking any long positions. And here we are in this area of interest. Oh, the Globix low is there too. And if you look at my 1 minute chart at 1587.7. Two ticks below that would be 5. Yeah, this is it. This is where we belong. And I'm in. That was a quick 5 tick. 8. And my target's filled. Wonderful. My day is done here, guys. Let me look at Rhythmic Trader. Yep, I made $100 because I'm trading the E-minute Russell, which is totally fine. After commissions, it's a $90 profit, which is awesome. Let's see here. My new balance is 25,525. Yeah, this is awesome. All right, guys, this is how I'm trading. The videos have really helped me show a huge amounts of accountability, and I am very pleased with the results thus far. Have a great day.